On question 5, we are subtracting the matrices. Now, the first matrix is a 2 by 2, and the second matrix is a 1 by 3. So, this is impossible because my dimensions don't match. Now, I do want to show how you can use the calculator. So, if you go to the Matrix menu, and then go over to Edit, and select Matrix A, and make sure that this is a 2 by 2 matrix, and then enter in the numbers, so 5, 10, 0, and 17, and then quit out, and go back into the Matrix menu, over to Edit, and then Matrix B, and then make sure this is a 1 by 3 matrix, and then type in 1, 0, and 2, and then quit out. So we're on the home screen, and I want to type matrix A subtract matrix B. And it should give me an error, but I just want to make sure that it does. So go into the matrix menu and select matrix A under names and press enter. Then press the subtraction symbol. Then go back into the matrix menu and select matrix B under names. So now we have matrix A minus matrix B on the home screen, and if you press enter, it will give you the error.